How to change the position of the language button on my website if it's not WordPress but a more mainstream website based on regular HTML, PHP, Wix, or any other technology that is not currently supported by Conveythis with a separate plugin. So it is fairly simple. If you're using JavaScript widget, you need to go to conveythis.com, log into your dashboard, click on login, and once you're there, you need to look at your domains which are activated for the widget. My test domain is royalmarblenewyork.com, and you need to click on Settings. In the Settings tab, you can preview the widget, but more importantly, you need to click on Show More Options. And here you have two options which can affect your position of the widget on the web page. Default installation is it's at the bottom of the website in the right corner, but you can modify it to be appearing at the top at the right corner. Additionally, you can look at the indenting option, which is the amount of vertical spacing from the top or bottom of the browser. If you want the widget to appear as close as possible to the edge of the browser, leave it 0 pixels. If you want to appear it more in the middle of the web page, you can stretch it as much as 297 pixels. And don't forget to save. Save configuration, and the changes will be automatically applied to your website.